Lagos State government don award the first Nigerian Olympic Gold Medalist. They award this woman after 25 years. Person don run, even forget herself say she run for one country. Now Nigeria can't remember say, run where you run for 1990 something. Now 2021, and they won't give you an award. On I say Nigeria, the country it don't get destabilized. Everybody don't mad for the country. Even people where they want all of us. Because I know they understand. Person run since 25 years ago. We be say some people say they never even born them. In fact, this woman through themselves could not even grow, enter school. They don't even marry. Now they can't realize, they get the time to award this woman. But at least, make we commend them for what they do. Ona don't do well. Ona try. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, well done, sir. Because if not be you, I shall say, 50 years to come, nobody will remember this woman. But because of say this man remember this woman, in fact, go give them accolade for this one. My people are beg, making a watch where they for the award this woman.
One is Chioma, Chief Mrs. Chioma Ajuma Opara. It could have been delayed for 25 years. But today, she'll be the owner of a 3-bedroom flat in Lagos. The famous Babafilirati Fashola housing estate in Ikori, where we'll be giving her the keys to a 3-bedroom flat. So you can see that indeed it will have taken 21 years to keep that promise, but today it's promised and it's deserving. Chief Mrs. Ajuma, these are the keys to your flat.
Hey, see as this woman they jubilate. In fact, they follow her happy because they award this Mrs. Chioma Ajuma with 3-bedroom flats. 3 ordinary bedroom flats. They think plenty for my eye, but it also small for my eye. 3-bedroom flats, you know, give her money join them after 25 years of waiting. Nigeria people, this man even really like Nigeria. All these people like this now, them be the dedicated people of Nigeria. We suppose they give them an award. After this woman run, first Olympic person, now she be the first Nigerian self, and only Nigeria will go win that thing. After that one, they don't give them the award. She never even think and say, hey, Nigeria don't do her bad. She still decides say she won't go join Nigerian police force. Hey, madam, you do well. So I live for you. It means that you really like this our country, Nigeria. You don't want to come out because, in fact, you don't even bother. It means that this woman they do well for herself because she not even the reason I'm saying Nigeria don't even forget her, betray her. She don't reason all this kind of thing. And they said this woman win this thing for the 1996 Summer Olympics for Atlanta. 1996. Some people see they suck feeder. Even me, I still they suck feeder for that time. Now this woman win this thing. But I beg our government, I don't understand us. Since that time, so if this woman no come out, in fact this woman supposed to even thank Channels TV. Because now she doing, now they do interview for her. Now she can't talk about this whole Olympics so she run about. When we say they don't give her many things. If she not be this channel, in fact nobody will even remember her. Now when they can't remember her, they can't carry 3-bedroom flat. Money no there inside, motor no there inside. I beg this house where you give her, how she wanted to maintain the house. Electricity there and I don't increase her money, no reason that one. Water there, she go pay water bill, no reason that one. Children there where she go take care of, now can't carry only house, give them. And hope saying I don't pay. Because Nigeria people hope saying I pay complete for that house. No be say person go their house, not one day. Landlord go come say governor pay half payment. We don't want to hear that kind of you. We hope saying I pay the full payment. Write the name self for inside her name. Make the thing be Chioma Ajuma. Now make it inside the receipt. I don't want to see Chioma Babajide Sanwo-Olu. Next week now the woman will come talk something we go vex on and I will say I won't collect in her house back. No. This one na award. And as na award, they supposed to give her. They're supposed to give her her thing because she don't really try. She don't even really wait. 25 years too long for me. It's too over long. But this governor, please, you do well. But just use small money, even if the money not too plenty. Just use small money, take manage and tag them along for her, I beg. And other people are just as this. The woman even she happy. Honestly, she shout, just jubilate, say yes. The thing is sweeter for me because maybe she don't even wait for this kind of thing. She don't expect all this kind of thing since. My people, I hear this one. I can't make a bring and come for now. Making herself just now. Yeah, waiting they happen inside our Lagos state. The blessing only Lagos state governor. Now they really work. Anything when I feel, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for our next video.